Nordson Medical leads the future of heat shrink tubing with PolyPeel, the first peelable solution setting a new industry standard. In medical device manufacturing, precision is everything. But removing PET heat shrink tubing, that's been a challenge until now. In an industry where speed and precision define the leaders, staying ahead means evolving your process. That's where PolyPeel comes in, the first peelable polyester heat shrink tubing designed to save production time, reduce risk to substrate, and take the frustration out of the equation. PolyPeel features the same trusted ultra-thin walls and precise tolerances as our industry-leading PET heat shrink tubing, now with the added benefit of easy, tool-free removal. Use PolyPeel in reflow to shape and bond components with precision. Use it in masking to protect catheter sections during seamless, discrete coating applications. And apply it in bundling to organize delicate assemblies and maintain a low profile.
How does PolyPeel improve production efficiency?
PolyPeel speeds up production with fast, tool-free removal, no skiving required. Its peelable design eliminates the need to score or cut tubing, reducing scrap and protecting sensitive components. Plus, its thinner walls enable faster run speeds.
Can it make a difference when timelines are tight? Or if production needs to scale quickly?
Anytime you can simplify a manufacturing process, especially one that's repeated thousands of times, you're going to see benefits in speed and scalability. PolyPeel makes operator training easier, reduces the chance of error, and enables higher capacity. So, whether you're ramping up production for a product launch or trying to meet a surge in demand, PolyPeel helps you move faster without compromising quality.
Does PolyPeel only enhance efficiency, or does it also contribute to the performance of the final catheter?
Yes, PolyPeel plays a direct role in improving catheter performance. Its ultra-thin walls support tight bundling for low-profile assemblies, which is critical in minimally invasive procedures. Additionally, its lower recovery temperatures help protect delicate components, ensuring device integrity during processing.
What kinds of procedures or markets benefit from this technology?
Electrophysiology, cardiology, neurovascular, and structural heart applications, among others, benefit from PolyPeel's thin wall, low-profile design, making it ideal for advanced devices. It's also ideal for customers looking for a PFAS-free alternative to FEP heat shrink, especially in reflow laminating applications.
What's the feedback been like from manufacturers who've adopted PolyPeel?
Feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. Manufacturers report easier handling, faster processing, and reduced scrap.
Looking ahead, how do you see technologies like PolyPeel shaping the future of medical device manufacturing?
As regulatory and environmental pressures increase, having a PFAS-free option is becoming more important. Technologies like PolyPeel are shaping the future by combining speed, sustainability, and performance. The game has changed, and PolyPeel helps manufacturers build better devices faster with less waste and a greater protection for delicate components. Future-ready manufacturing starts here.